This is an instructional video to show you how to adjust a closure for earrings made of solid sterling silver with an English lock. Here is a typical earring. I'm going to close so you can hear the click sound it makes. This is the desired result. You can now feel it is closed firmly and fully secured. Here is the same earring where the closure is loose. This can happen over time as sterling silver is a soft metal. Here is how you can adjust it back by yourself without the help of a jeweler or any tools. It takes less than a minute. If you're right-handed, hold the base of the earring with your left hand like so. Place your right thumb on top of the silver post. That's a thin pin that goes into your earlobe. Then apply gentle and gradual pressure on the post, attempting to move downwards. Now the key is to do so slightly that it feels like it barely moved. After each push, check if the closure clicks. If it doesn't, then go ahead and repeat and push the post again by applying the same gentle pressure and not using more force. Do not worry about breaking the post. If you follow these instructions and do it slowly, you'll be able to bend it slightly enough for it to close again. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. For more questions, please click the link to my shop and write me a message on the chat. I'm always happy to help.